Hey everybody, Mr. K back, and just want you to take a nice look at the shop. If you've never seen, really, it's from outside. It's just a 2-bay shop, and I fixed it up pretty nice. There's our old shovel head. There's my tire machine. It's got boxes all over it and stuff, because we're moving. I'm getting a new shop. So I'm going to show you this old shop and all the stuff I've done in here that you've seen with one lift, and all my my work area and stuff over here and stuff over here and my fridge and all that good jazz. But I'm moving. I'm getting a new shop. So I'm kind of excited about the new shop, and we'll see how it goes. Today's Thursday, and what I hope to do is this weekend take you to the new shop. It's pretty raw right now, but and show you what we're in for and how it's gonna go. So all right, so hang in there and I'll show you this Saturday in the new shop. Okay everybody, here we are Saturday morning at the new shop, and give you a nice walkthrough. Okay, so we're gonna go up here. This is my oldest son's house, so he lives right here, and we'll walk in. To the new shop. Okay. And you can see the size. This shop even has a bathroom. Pretty cool. Lots of spaces for manuals. It's got a nice little office. Lots of bench space. Yeah. Pegboard. Garage door. Lots of space. Lots of space. Heat. I know this video is not going to do it justice, but we got all new LED lights. Thanks to my middle son and all the work he did here. We got some benches already made. Here's a nice table with some casters and the wheel chalk. And now we're ready to go into the parts room. And we even have a parts room. Look at this. Look how big this parts room is. Lots of parts. It's gonna be awesome. Or a customer waiting room, so the customer can stay in here and watch their bikes being worked on, have a cup of joe. All right. So this is the new shop. Really stoked about it. Hope you are too. Let us know what you think. Comment. All right, everybody. God bless.